Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And today we also have with us our two special friends.
Hi, I'm Emily.
Hi, I'm Jessie.
So Emily, what are we going to make today?
So today we're gonna make paper plate monsters.
Like it.
Great.
And before we get started, we have a breathing technique to get us all relaxed. So first, we're gonna breathe in and make a monster face and clench up your face in your hands and then relax. All right, we'll do it all together.
Okay.
Breathe in and relax. And breathe in and relax. Okay.
That was fun. I like our monster faces.
Yeah.
So what supplies do we need?
So today we're going to need a plate, some paint or markers, some glue or tape, googly eyes, scissors, and construction paper. So Emily, what's the first step?
So the first step would be cutting out a hole in the center of your paper plate.
Okay. And did you paint your plate?
So mine was already green when I took it out, but you could paint it or you can color it with a marker.
Okay.
So to cut a hole, you want to fold your plate. Just like this. All right. And now you're going to take your scissors and you are going to cut right in the middle of the plate.
So I kind of pre-did mine, so this is what it comes out as, and the same as Emily's, and you can do whatever color you want for your monster.
And remember, if you're using scissors, to ask a caretaker or a friend or a parent to help you if you need it.
What will it look like?
All right.
That looks great.
Okay. And what's the next step that we put on?
So the next step would be putting on horns. So you just take a piece of paper and cut whatever shape you want. I put a little bend to mine. It doesn't matter.
I made like little antennas.
Oh,
Cool. What are you doing for your horns, Gail?
I'm doing a little bend to mine as well.
Yeah, kind of similar to what I'm doing.
And then after that, you just tape it to the back of the plate. Or you can glue it. It doesn't matter.
What color monsters are you guys making?
I'm making blue.
Great.
Mine was yellow.
Cute. I'm doing a green one.
Okay. So I have my horns.
Me too.
Right.
You could even color inside the horns too.
Yeah. Add
That's
some
mine.
designs on them. So the next step is adding teeth to your monster. So you can cut out some teeth either from the center of your plate or from cardboard, construction paper, or whatever you have. So I cut my teeth into this shape.
Okay, I cut mine into triangle.
My triangles too.
I did a combo of triangle and rectangle.
Oh, looks good. So you're gonna tape these again to the back of the plate.
Do the top and the bottom on yours?
Yeah, I'm doing just the bottom on mine, but you could do the top if you want to.
Okay.
I think, Emily, are you doing the top of yours?
Yeah, I'm doing the top and the bottom.
I like this. You can kind of do whatever you want on it.
Yeah. There's no right or wrong in art.
Lots of options.
Okay.
All right. How's everybody coming?
Good. I have my,
Great.
Okay. So the next step would be putting on eyeballs. So I made little construction eyeballs and I put little eyes on the inside of them.
nice.
Two.
And I have lots of googly eyes, so I'm
Wow.
gonna glue some googly eyes on mine.
Nice.
So you can put them all over your plate, wherever you want.
I'm taking the center of my plate and making one giant eyeball. Kind of like Mike Wazowski from Monsters, Inc.
I love that movie.
You can color on them with markers.
Monsters can have any amount of eyes.
Yes.
All right. All right.
Okay.
Let me see.
Oh, looks so good.
Thank you.
I'm gonna add more, but
Oh, nice.
Going on.
This is what mine looks like.
I love it.
You. I
and
think I'm
you,
gonna add more eyes later.
oh, I love that big eye.
Great.
I do too.
I also had some black tissue paper around, so I was thinking you could like tear tissue paper and crumble it and also like decorate around your monster and
Definitely.
like fur or just add some texture to it.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, that looks good, Peggy.
Yeah. So that was fun. I hope you enjoy trying making your own monster.
If you'd like to see our other craft videos, you can go to our website, www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting.
Have fun. Bye.
Bye.